Hey guys, coming to you with a Project Life layout. This is off the normal schedule, but this is the new October kit, so I wanted to get a video in of it. So hang tight while I move this. Okay, so let me bring you on in a little bit here. If I can remember to keep you in frame, that would be awesome, but let's not hold our breath on that. Let's get some light over here, huh? A little bit better? Okay, so this is my niece and nephew. Most of the pictures are going to be of them because that the layout was originally just them, and then I realized I wanted a few more pictures, so I grabbed a few of them and their mama. So I do want to use this here tag. Oh no, do I have? Yes. Whew. Wasn't sure if I had tape or not. Although I have been having problems with it ripping lately. It's a little bit annoying. Kind of sort of straight maybe. We shall see. I did not prep this. Or my other one over here. Okay, that is what I consider being prepped. Not getting them ready for the video or anything. Ah, that hurt. I don't know why that hurt. Ow, why does that hurt? Okay, I wanted to put this enjoy the small things. In little things? Something. Whoopsie, man down. Great. Oh, I wonder if it would go in white right there. I don't know. I wasn't prepared. Oh well. Let's try it. Should I do black or white? I don't know if the white will show up as well as I'm wanting it to. Yee! Try it again. That's the best part about pigment ink, is you can just wipe it off of a picture anyway. Yeah, white's not going to show up. I don't think I'm going to try it with any other colors either. I popped out a few of these here. This says Secret of Everyday Magic. Pop down some flowers. And a little heart. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Now this one is the one I was going to put grateful for small things, great love. So let's see what it looks like. And of course they all came out with the extra little bit in it. Hey, 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 come back here. Hope you guys are enjoying your kits. Oh man, I was exhausted Saturday and Sunday. So I went to see my mom Saturday morning, came home, and laid down. That is where I stayed. I feel like I got up to eat dinner. I also feel like maybe I didn't. I don't remember. Gonna use all the alphas. Well, not all of them, but you know. Okay, it's about as straight as it's gonna get in this little world of mine, so I don't know, it just looks a little bit strange. Oh, these are really lightweight. That I would say is enough words. I'm gonna leave that like that until, yikes, that's not gonna fit down there, so I'll leave that way for just now. This one's kind of, this is one of the cards that comes with it, and I want to cover up that party of, because I don't know who all was there. This is I was not there. This says we just go together. Don't even know if this was this year now. I think about it. Okay. There we go, making memories. Oh, I forgot about these. Oh, where did it go? There it goes. And pink, yes. And a yellow, this is love. Uh-oh. Okay, so this one, I can't even, just look at her little legs. I mean, she's doing the thing. Let me tell you, she's digging, I guess. I don't know. She was determined, it seems as though, by her stance. this was going to get dug today. And I took this one out that says I can do this, because she looks like she's getting it done. I'm gonna stamp this moment has my heart. Oh no, don't know what I was gonna do there. Oh goodness, I just love that little girl to pieces, and that little boy. I really wish I lived closer to all my nieces and nephews. Okay. Feeling pretty productive. Yeah, this one's kind of like just a little filler card like that title card one was. This was in the ephemera pack, this arrow. I just think it's too cute. Broke my nail yesterday, and that sucks, just so that you know. And this one says, my heart belongs right here. And there's your cute. Put a heart on this one. Do I have any more? Yep. Okay. And one of them I'm not going to put anything on, but I thought this was too cute. Hey, good looking. This is my sister and Miss Marleybug. This one. Get off my finger, please. Okay. Simple, not too much fussy muss. I just wanted to use my new kit because it's been sitting here, and you know, when you have to walk past your craft table to do real life things like work, it sucks when I still had my kit spread out. So yeah, reminder to self, put kit up next time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Not too fancy. Sorry, I can't ever get my lighting down. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And Monday's over with, guys. It's okay, we're going to make it. Monday's over with. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.